Module 1 MSSQL TSQL Chapter 1 Mock Interview Questions and Answers. This is Sai Fanendra from SQL School and hope you are practicing the things on time. I understand today this particular video is for session 1 or concept 1 interview or introduction class FAQs interview questions. I request you to make sure on time practice throughout the course. Make sure you do contact me for doubts, clarifications if any. Let's get started with our actual answers to the interview questions on concept 1. First question that was given to you earlier. What are the advantages of SQL Server? Here it is. There are a good amount of examples for SQL Server. Cheaper, easy to use, scalable, cost effective, and user friendly. Additionally, it has good support for faster updates, free technical support, and built-in BI tools, BI, Business Intelligence, MSBI, and Cloud BI tools. Second question that was given to you in the mock interview or assignment paper after your class, after your actual class. Can you explain what is SQL? Answer: SQL stands for Structured Query Language, a language to communicate and coordinate with any database, a language to coordinate or communicate with any database. I repeat again, SQL, a concept to work with any database for storage, reporting, security, management, anything, everything. Any touch on database, we need SQL. Let me take it once again from our class notes. Here it is. From our class notes that was given to you earlier, let me just take it this. It is this one from our class notes. To talk to any database, we need SQL. To talk to databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server, we use a variant of SQL called TSQL, Transact SQL. Next, from here, the next question, what is TSQL? Just now I was actually mentioning about it. A variant of SQL, a type of SQL to talk to any database. I repeat again, to talk to any database, we need SQL. To talk to any database, we need SQL. Item number 4 on the screen. Number 5 on the screen, to talk to databases stored in Microsoft SQL, we need MSSQL. Diagram, see here. To connect to any database, we need SQL. To talk to databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server, we need TSQL, Transact SQL. What operations we can perform? Design, development activities, database testing activities, management and administration activities we can perform using this SQL. And various versions of SQL Server. What are the various versions of SQL Server? Let me take you back to our introduction notes. Various versions of SQL Server. Let me just take it to you now on my screen here. Versions of SQL Server 2022, 2019, 2017, 2016, so on. These are all different versions or releases of SQL Server. Same way, next question we have, what are the editions of SQL Server? What are these? Editions means flavors, enterprise, developer, express, data center, standard, web edition, etc. These are all various editions of SQL Server. Next, from here, what we are learning? We are understanding various questions and the relevant answers to the assignments given to you earlier, part of our course. Next, from here we have the next important item. I'll just take it this way. Here it is. We have versions and editions of SQL Server. Now, what are the database types? Question number 7. What are the database types? If you remember our class notes, we have various types of databases. On my screen, OLTP databases to store live real-time data. like live temperatures, data warehouse databases to store old historical data, past inactive data, OLAP databases, predictions, forecast like weather forecasts, HTAP, hybrid transactional processing, analytical processing databases. That is a mix of OLTP plus data warehouse plus OLAP, online analytical database together, everything together. That is called HTAP. Like for example, a Google map. We have live tracking, historical changes, and ETA, expected time of arrival. All these three databases blended together, we have HTAP database. Part of our Cloud BI course, Azure BI, Snowflake, AWS courses, we have HTAP database examples. Next, what is the question again here? Types of databases. Then we have, how can you say that SQL Server is scalable, highly scalable? How you can say that? An interviewer asks you this question. Yes, SQL Server is highly scalable. Scalable means in terms of flexibility. It works seamlessly on multiple operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Solaris, everywhere. It adopts various workloads, making it ideal for business of all sizes, both small and big data. We make use of these SQL activities. So total 8 questions given to you, part of this assignment, and hope you tried them. Please refer to these answers carefully and all questions in a single screen now. Advantage of SQL Server. Second question, what is SQL? Third, what is TSQL? Fourth, operations you can perform using SQL and TSQL. Fifth, versions. 6, editions. 7, database types. And 8, how you can say SQL Server is highly scalable. Please go through the things carefully. Practice on time. That's very, very important for us throughout our course. Please, my kind request. Things are bit vast, as you know. Things are bit vast. So need your support. Practice on time throughout the classes. Meet you in the next mock test video for installation. Next concept, next video. Thank you so much and have a nice time. Thank you once again. See you there in our next class. Thank you.